Hello, 朋友们，大家好。Welcome to Lian's Kitchen. Today, let's make rocket shrimp.
This shrimp recipe is the perfect appetizer. Everyone will absolutely love this dish, and it's simple to make. I will show you how to make it. Let's get started. Let's start by removing the shells from the shrimp. I like to keep the tails on the shrimp to make it easier to hold when eating it. Then we need to devein the shrimp. Now rinse off the shrimp in cold water. Then we need to pat the shrimp dry. Time to marinate the shrimp. Add the salt, garlic powder, sugar, sesame oil. I'm using my hand to mix. It's ready. Next, I am going to make the glue for the wrapper. Mix the flour with some water until it's completely mixed. I am using this 6 by 6 inches spring roll wrapper. Then we need to separate the wraps. Now split up the cream cheese into 22 pieces. It's time to roll up the shrimp. Add some cream cheese into the wrapper and roll it up a quarter of the way. Now fold the sides in and add the shrimp on top of the skin. Then finish folding it. And add some glue at the end before closing it up. Now heat up some frying oil on medium heat. Next, add the rocket shrimp to the frying oil. Let the shrimp cook for 3 minutes in the oil. After 3 minutes is up, take the shrimp out, and the rocket shrimp is done.
Wow, looks good. Time for taste test. Let's try. Very crispy. It's very creamy inside, and the shrimp is very tender. It's very, very delicious. If you guys have any questions and would like to be mentioned in the next video, feel free to comment. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you guys like the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day, everybody. 再见。